Hi guys, how's everyone doing? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another video for another baking with sourdough, sourdough starter, and today is focaccia. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is it focaccia? I hope I did it correctly. So yeah, I've been venturing sourdough baking for a week or so now. It's been fun. I have made various baked goods using sourdough starter, and I read around that you can even use it for cake like brownies, so I'm gonna give it a try. But for now I have focaccia to share. I'll see you soon again. Bye. So what I have here is just slightly above half cup, not even 3¼ cup. This is what I took out from the yeast earlier, so this is just above half cup. Then we're gonna add lukewarm water for 1 cup. Lukewarm water for 1 cup. I already prepared here. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mine is just extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna mix it a bit. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add 2 cups of flour. You can mix it with wooden spoon or with your hand, but you're gonna have to kind of damp your hand because the mixture will be sticky. See, it's sticky, so you have to damp your hand if you want to mix it with your hand instead the wooden spoon. Alternating for 3 to 5 minutes. Just cover them with cling wrap, and you're gonna let it stand for overnight, or 12 hours at least. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow again. Now that the dough been rested for all night long, you can see that it's doubled in size. We're gonna drizzle some, well, generously, olive oil on the baking sheet to the side as well, not just on the bottom. Now we're gonna dump this slowly to the baking pan. The smell is so nice. Just carefully right away to the baking pan. Now what you want to do, you can stretch it to the side, but by doing so with your fingers, just carefully and slowly. And then we're going to drizzle about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Okay. And you're just going to do that. With your finger. Do you see how it's filling up the baking pan? Like you get, I hope you can see as if you're making a poke everywhere, but with your finger instead fork. Okay, now you can top it with your favorite topping. I'm gonna top it with rosemary, garlic powder, and some grape tomatoes. Now before the topping, you want to sprinkle some coarse salt. So you have the flavoring. I like bigger coarse salt, but this one is not too big. And then a little rosemary. A little garlic. And some grape tomato. And that's about it. You want to rest it for half hour at least before you bake them. Now it's rested for 30 minutes. And we're just gonna bake it for 20 to 25 minutes.